Good day, my beloved children of class 4. Welcome to the 16th session, day 1 of English 2 class. Children, you all have given your CAT 2 exam by this time, and I am pretty confident that you all have scored 30 on 30. So, children, let's start today's lesson. We have already read the poem The Fisherman by Abby Fowell Brown. So, children, we shall start the exercise today. Children, can you see the picture of a fisherman catching fish from the sea? Yes. And the sound of the webs also remind us of the sea webs. So, let's begin. Reference to the context. Number 1. It's a line quoted from your poem, The Fisherman. Then we shall discuss the questions which will follow. Let's read the line together. Not quite, yet maybe. True. Not quite, yet maybe true. Question A. What does the poet state about the fisherman's eyes? What does the poet state about the fisherman's eyes? Answer. The poet states that the fisherman has curious eyes. The poet states that the fisherman has curious eyes. Number B. Question B. How do the fisherman's eyes make us feel? How do the fisherman's eyes make us feel? Answer. The fisherman's eyes make the people feel strange. The fisherman's eyes make the people feel strange. Number C. Question number C. How does the poet compare the fisherman's eyes? How does the poet compare the fisherman's eyes? Answer. The poet says that the fisherman's eyes are like the sea on the foggy days. The poet says that the fisherman's eyes are like the sea on the foggy days, which are neither grey nor quite blue. Which are neither grey nor quite blue. The fisherman's eyes are also like the wonderful stories that he tells. The fisherman's eyes are also like the wonderful stories that he tells. Number D. What does the fisherman know? What does the fisherman know? And the sub-part question. What does the fisherman do when the poet says about city things? What does the fisherman do when the poet says about city things? Answer of the first part. The fisherman knows about boats, tides, winds, clouds, and sky. The fisherman knows about boats, tides, winds, clouds, and sky. And the answer of the second part? Yes. When the poet tells about the city things, the fisherman snips and shuts one eye. When the poet tells about the city things, the fisherman snips and shuts one eye. Number E. Question number E. In this question, make sentences have been given. You are to frame sentences with the two words. Number 1, see, and number 2, tells. Children, I am pretty sure that you all can frame sentences with these two words. So children, try it out to frame sentences on your own. Here ends our class and exercise for today on the poem The Fisherman. I hope that you all have enjoyed my class. See you children in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.